want enough feed if you give a pig a pancake. If you give a pig a pancake. He'll want some syrup to go with it. Run up the stairs as sweet as possible. He'll want to take a bath and scrub-a-dub-dub. He'll want a toy. He'll want a bubble bath. I'm soaked. Someone help. It's flooding. It's flooding. My clothes don't even fit. They're soaked. Sling, sling. They're gone forever. Take the tap shoes. Tap, 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 tap. I have to dry everything clubble, clubble. Under her bed. Under her bed. He'll run upstairs, clean all his clothes. Tap dance, tap dance. He'll want to play some music too, of course. He'll want to take a picture. He'll run and get the camera. Look at that crazy picture. Look at that crazy picture. I'll make a bounce beat out of some stuff. There, he turned out to make a new picture, of course. He'll have to give him some slips and stamps, of course. She'll have to take them to the mailbox, and all the things will fall off. All the things will fall off. He'll want to build a tree house, and that's what he did. I'll have to get some wood and build again. Yeah, now we have to paint. Get the white paint, glue, and paste paint. The paste reminded him of syrup. I want more pancakes. Jump, boom. Let's go. I'm sleepwalking. More if you wanted syrup, they'll want more pancakes.
She's got a squinky in her mouth.
Thank you. Bye. What?
Oh, he loved it for you.
What?
That was nice of Grandpa to love.
What did you say?
Do you want to go in the room and do it?
I'm done.